everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you're new, this is CraftShip Wonders. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a tetrahedron and square pyramid. In the previous video, I showed you guys how to make a cube and cuboid. If you haven't watched it, I shared the link in the description down below. You guys can check it out. So before going to the video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's move into the video. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make 3D shapes. I'm gonna make a tetrahedron and a square pyramid. I already made a cube and cuboid in the previous video. If you haven't watched that video yet, I'll share the link in the description down below. You can check it out after watching this video. So now let's get started. So guys, the first shape I'm going to make is a tetrahedron. Tetrahedron is otherwise called as pyramid. So for making that, I've taken a chart right there. The dimension of the chart is 11 inches into 11 inches. So guys, now I have left half inch space from the corner and I drawn a line here. Again, I left half inch space from this line and I drawn another line here. So guys, here I marked 2 points in this line and this line measures 10 inches. Further, I divided this 10 inches by drawing a straight line in the middle. Further, I placed this ruler at the two very end points and I measured 10 inches and I marked a point here. Now I am going to join these points. So guys, now I have marked the point at 5 inches on the both sides. Now I am going to join these points. Now I am going to join these points together. While joining these lines, we will get 4 triangles inside a big one. So guys, now I am going to draw a line in these two parts. The space between these lines is half inch. After drawing these lines, I am going to draw a line at the edge of the triangle. We also have to join these two parts to create a flap here. So guys, this is the final template of a pyramid. This template will be available in the description down below. You can check it out for reference. So guys, I just made the same template in pink color chart. Now I am going to score out all these lines. For scoring, we need a ruler and a pen. I am going to place this ruler in these lines and I am going to press this pen along these lines. While doing so, it will become easy for us to fold. So guys, now I will fold and show you. So guys, the remaining step is pasting. So let's start pasting this template. For pasting, I am going to apply some glue in this flap. After applying glue, I am going to paste this part with this part. So guys, now I am going to apply glue in these two flaps and I am going to paste it. So guys, now our tetrahedron is ready. So guys, now the next shape I am going to make is a square pyramid. For making the square pyramid, I have taken a chart right here. The dimension of the chart is 12 inches into 12 inches. Further, I divided these 4 sides into 3 parts. Each part measures 4 inches. So now I am going to join all these parts. So guys, since a square pyramid has 4 sides, I have marked points on these 4 squares at 2 inches. The center square will be the base of a pyramid. Now I am going to join these points. So guys, now I am going to draw lines on two sides of the opposite triangles. The space between these lines is ½ inch. While drawing this line, this will create the flap for pasting. So guys, this is the final template of a square pyramid. This template will also be available in the description down below. You can check it out for reference. So guys, I already made this template in brown color chart and I already score out all the parts. Now we are going to do pasting. So guys, now I am going to apply glue in these two flaps and I am going to paste it. Now I am going to paste these two flaps with these two parts. Now I am going to apply glue in the other two flaps and I am going to paste this. So guys, now our square pyramid is ready. So guys, in this second part, first we made a tetrahedron, also known as pyramid, and we made a square pyramid. And now our shapes are ready.
So guys, we finally finished making the tetrahedron and the square pyramid. These looks amazing. So try it in your home and have fun. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and also subscribe to our channel. I will catch you in the next final part 3 video guys.